meditation for inner peace, please come to find a very comfortable seat. Maybe sit up on a cushion or even in a chair if it helps you to find a tall spine. Rest your hands on your thighs and choose if you want to have the palms facing down or up. When you're ready, you can close your eyes and see if you can soften your gaze with your eyes closed. Take these next few moments only for yourself, to replenish your energy level, to re-establish your mental balance, and to reconnect with who you really are, beneath all the stories and worries, letting that go fully. This is your opportunity to pause and just be, not having to do anything. Just be aware of your breath and set everything else aside. Knowing that peace is always with you, because it is you. At the core of your being, you are peace. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. And again, take an expansive inhale in and fully exhale and relax. Now continue this breath on your own and see if you can sense yourself becoming more relaxed with every breath. Your mind quieting down and your body softening. Pausing in this moment of now, you might want to invite a feeling of appreciation for this opportunity to reconnect to the core of your being and to practice being very present and very aware of your now moment. Stripping away all the stories and beliefs that you might be telling yourself during the day, letting go of all worries. Because you're now beginning to realize that those are not who you really are. Because who you really are is unwavering peace. Being in this state of peace, you notice that you're able to think clearly. Because you really are clarity. That is who you naturally, innately are. Peace and clarity. If your thoughts begin to wander, simply bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the sensations of breathing in and out through the nostrils. Your full attention on your breathing relaxes you further into this state of peace. Be with your breath fully for another minute of complete stillness. Slowly come back, becoming aware of your surroundings, the four walls of the room. Become aware of the surface that you're sitting on, maybe your cushion, the floor, or a chair. And notice if you feel any different now as opposed to when we first started this practice. You may feel more at peace, more relaxed, or simply very present in this moment of now. To close, let's bring your hands together in front of the chest. Take a last deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Dip the chin slightly. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes again. Namaste.